Are you suffering through a blizzard with cold hands? Are you dreading going out to shovel the snow? Before I lived in this tropical wonderland, I lived in New York for 50 years and have worked so hard to resolve that problem. In my hands, I have the next best answer because there's a little asterisk. I did have a pair of electric gloves, which were absolutely off the hook amazing, but not really a realistic answer for most situations. This, on the other hand, is ridiculously cool and has been a standby of mine for so many years. It is amazing how well these things work. You just expose them to air, squeeze them up a little bit, shuffle them up a little bit, an exothermic reaction happens and it makes heat. So for shoveling the snow, I actually would take these, put them in my gloves, in the back of my gloves, keep my hands warm. When we went skiing, we just put them in our pockets. There are a bazillion ways. I've seen people put them in their shoes. There are a bazillion ways you could use these. There's no charging, there's no power involved, there's no nothing other than you just take it out, expose it to the air, and it makes heat. Resolves that problem almost completely, makes it almost livable in New York until you see what this is like and you're like, hell with that, I'm not paying those taxes and living there. Comment below if you think you'd rather live in New York right now than this. But if you want to get these, there's actually a link here on the screen and down below. Both work the same way. If I've added some value, if you didn't know that this was a thing, absolutely give this video a like, follow the channel, smash that hype feature if we are here on YouTube. I really do hope this was helpful and this is something that you could use if you hadn't thought of this before. I'll see you in the next video.